Would you believe me if I told you that you could do nothing and earn money? No? Well, what if I told you that these are all of the proof? Believe me now? If you do, then go ahead and type in. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. We have a new method for you guys today, and it's basically doing absolutely nothing and earning $800 all at the same time. It's a little bit unbelievable, and we understand if you're doubting it, but trust us, this method works like a charm. We know you guys are gonna absolutely love it, and I know y'all are excited, so let's just jump right into it. First platform that we have is Brave.com. Now don't worry, because this website and the rest of the websites that we're going to be showing you today are completely free and they're worldwide available. So you chill. Anyway, this is Brave, and this is how their platform should look like as soon as you type that in and hit enter. Before anything else, let's get to know about this website more. So it says the best privacy online, it's 3 times faster than Chrome, better protection from Google and Big Tech. Stop being followed online. Brave blocks all creepy ads from every website by default. And that thing where ads follow you across the web, Brave blocks that too. Online privacy made simple. All the good of ad blocking, incognito windows, private search, even VPN, all in a single click. Switch in 60 seconds. Quickly import bookmarks, extensions, even save passwords. It's the best of our old browser, only safer. And it only takes a minute to switch. The new super app, Brave, brings truly independent search, free video conferencing, offline playlists, even a customizable newsfeed, all fully private, all right to your browser's super app. A difference you can see and feel. There are no creepy ads, and trackers means less stuff on every web page you visit, and that means faster page load, better battery life, even mobile data savings. From that, you can obviously tell that Brave is a browser just like Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, or Mozilla Firefox, but Brave claims to be 3 times more protected and secure. Now, how does this have to do with money making? Well, let's find out. If you hover on browser and then click on Brave Rewards, that's going to take you to here, and everything on this webpage will be answering the $1 million question about how we're going to be earning money with this website. Literally. Brave Rewards earn tokens just for browsing. Use them for almost anything. Cash gift cards, crypto, tips to the websites and content creators you love, and more. The old way is changing. On most browsers, the internet is a sea of data-sucking ads. They slow websites down, interrupt your flow, and chase you all over the web. But what choice is there? Creepy ads are just the price of being online, right? Not anymore. Default privacy. Optional rewards. By default, the Brave browser rips out all the creepy ads and trackers from every web page you visit. Then, it gives you the choice to see Brave private ads. If you do, you get rewarded with basic attention tokens, or BAT. If you don't, then that's okay. The Brave browser will always be free and private. Unlike big tech ads, Brave ads don't invade your privacy. Your data never leaves your device. Now, what do Brave ads look like? A sleek background image on a new browser tab, a card in your Brave newsfeed, or a small push notification. That's it. No on-page ads, no pre-roll or mid-roll video ads, no pop-ups, and that thing where ads follow you from site to site, gone. Brave ads are never in your face. Just great offers from great brands. Easy to opt out of, easy to dismiss whenever you want. What can you do with BAT? Almost anything. Collect it like frequent flyer points and exchange it for cash or cash value gift cards. Use it to tip websites and content creators. Store and swap like any other crypto asset in your crypto wallet. Save, earn interest, and pay with Gemini Earn and Gemini Pay. Buy NFTs or make in-app purchases with WebD apps. BAT is flexible, transferable, and oh so easy to use. Get started with Brave Rewards. All you have to do is download this app, and just like that, you're gonna start making money just from that while having it simply installed on your device. So try this website out because you're definitely not going to regret it. Before we move on to the next platform, I want you guys to comment down below where you guys live because I love reading your comments and knowing where you all are from. And also tell me about what devices you guys use and whether you're an Android user or an iOS user because I would love to know. So make sure that you comment that down below before continuing on. Now let's get back into it. Next platform is called QMe.com, and this is their website, so let's go through it as per usual. Share your opinion and shop to earn real cash rewards. Earn cash, not swag or points. It's available for both Android and iOS, so you have no problem here. Earn cash by completing surveys anytime, anywhere. Share your opinions on brands and see your earnings grow daily. There are surveys, businesses want to know your opinion and they want to pay you for it. Not points, not swag, cash. There's cashback. Earn cashback on great products and enjoy your wallet being a little bit bigger at the end of the month. And there are deals. Find deals on the biggest brands around or just let us show you ones that you like. Here are some ratings that can reassure you that this website is great and trusted by many. As you can see, take surveys while you commute. With QMe, you can earn cash, not swag, not points, cash, either through your PayPal or your gift cards. Earn during your downtime if the kids are sleeping or you've just got 10 minutes to spare. Earn while you study. Save money for books, software, whatever you need for your student days. All you will need is a verified PayPal address, so just click on sign up or download it on your devices straight ahead and create an account, and just like that you can start making money literally as easy as 1, 2, 3, and you won't even need any skills or experience for this. That's why it's even perfect for beginners, so make sure that you try this out as well. If you're appreciating today's video and really taking it all in, make sure that you like and subscribe before going further into the video. We would appreciate it a lot. You can also show your love by hitting the notification bell so you'll always be updated when it comes to our YouTube channel and you won't regret it, and that we can promise you. Keep watching because we're almost done. Last app is called Meshbean, and this is how it'll look like if you look for it on the Google Play Store and if you're going to download it on your device. But basically, this app is about earning money to play games, so simply think of this as a bonus app. Earn money by playing games. You can earn real money through your PayPal account or be rewarded with gift cards. Get free money by just playing games with Meshbean app. You don't need to complete any tasks to earn money, just play games. Meshbean app is for any device and it is free, fast, and easy to follow. You get a 1,000 coin sign-up bonus and daily rewards for simply logging in, not to mention 100 coins for each referral. How does it work? You install Meshbean from Google Play or sign up for an active account via your mobile web browser. Then you're going to download and install apps to collect Meshbean points. Then you're going to redeem your coin rewards for cash via PayPal or exchange them for Amazon, Google Play, or Apple gift cards. And you can even refer Meshbean to get 100 coin bonus every time a new install happens. All you have to do is invite your friends from Facebook, Google+, and even your phone contacts via your referral code. Feel lucky, earn more money, play the game of knocking egg by just choosing 1 out of 3 available eggs to test your luck. That's a sample of one of the games that they have. And now, you know how to earn easy cash by playing games. So that's basically it. Meshbean is one of our latest apps and we would love it if you could install and review their app. Your readers will definitely enjoy being rewarded cash and free gift cards for playing fun games. So that's pretty much it. Make sure you try all 3 apps together because that's how you're going to be making over $800. Please comment down below what you loved the most about today's video, and also comment on any suggestions or future videos that you'd like to see, or if you simply want to have a conversation in the comment section below. We will try our best to respond to all of them, and that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.